Hello everyone, this is Andrea from Wildly American Soap Company, and this is a behind-the-scenes look at our Gingerbread Spice Soap Bars. If you've ever been curious about how cold processed soap is made, these are the basics of how it's done. We combine our melted veggie butters and hard oils with liquid oils. Then we add lye and they saponify. When you saponify fats this way, you get a true bar of soap. So it's not a cosmetic, but an actual soap bar. I really hope you guys are enjoying watching how your favorite products are made at Wildly American. If you do enjoy it, please like this video, subscribe, and support us over at wildlyamerican.com.
And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas time.